So if you're looking for a really good makeup brush and sponge kit, ImpressionZ makes this really great 10-piece set. It has all the stuff you need for blending, highlighting, pretty much any makeup application, all in this one gift set. So this really makes a perfect gift as it comes in this big, nice box and it's packaged so beautifully. You're going to get 3 beauty blenders with a holder, 2 highlighting brushes, 3 triangle powder puffs, and a pack of 100 disposable cotton rounds. It even comes with a nice big step-by-step guide on how to use all of the products. The 3 beauty blenders are really high quality and they come in the 3 different shapes for your various applications. And then it comes with this cute little holder that gives good air circulation so that they'll dry really quick. I love the 2 highlighting brushes that it comes with. So you're going to get 2 different sizes. They come with an angled flare, and then you're going to have the wooden handle and the nice soft bristles that gives you a good control when you put on your highlighter. The 3 triangle powder puffs come in 3 different colors, and they have the little finger slot, and then they're really soft and velvety, so you're going to get real seamless blending. And last but definitely not least, you're going to get a pack of 100 disposable cotton rounds. So I love these for my eye makeup removal and putting on my toner. So as you can see, this is a great high quality kit that provides everything to make your makeup application process easy and luxurious.